Once upon a time, in a sunny green forest, there lived a small rabbit named Twitch. Twitch loved to hop, skip, and jump over the tall grass. He was the fastest hopper in the woods, and his long ears always wiggled when he was happy. One morning, he decided to explore a new part of the forest near the great river. Oh no! As Twitch hopped over a fallen log, he didn't see the deep, slippery hole on the other side. With a loud splat, Twitch tumbled down into a muddy pit. The mud was sticky, thick, and very dark. He tried to climb out, but his paws just slipped and slid. Twitch was stuck, and he felt very small and very scared. A colorful bird named Pippin flew over the pit. She heard Twitch's tiny cries for help. Pippin looked down and saw the mud. "I want to help you, Twitch," she chirped. But Pippin was so small, and she was afraid she might get stuck in the sticky mud too. She fluttered her wings nervously, but stayed high up in the safety of the trees. Next, a gentle deer named Leaf walked by. She peeked over the edge of the hole. Twitch called out, "Please help me, Leaf." Leaf looked at her thin legs and her shiny fur. She was worried that if she stepped into the pit, she wouldn't be able to get back out. "I'm so sorry, Twitch," Leaf whispered, "but I am too scared of the deep mud." Suddenly, the ground began to shake. Thump, thump, thump. Out from behind the trees walked Barda, the biggest elephant in the forest. Barda had a very long trunk and very kind eyes. He heard the commotion and walked straight toward the muddy pit to see what was wrong. He wasn't scared of the mud at all. Barda knelt beside the hole. "Don't worry, little friend," Barda rumbled in a voice as deep as a drum. "I can reach you." Barda carefully lowered his long, gray trunk into the dark pit. He stretched it down past the slippery walls until it reached the very bottom where Twitch was waiting. Twitch grabbed onto Barda's strong trunk. With one smooth, gentle pull, Barda lifted Twitch out of the sticky mud. He swung the little rabbit high into the air and set him down safely on the soft, dry grass. Twitch was messy, but he was finally free. He shook himself off, sending bits of mud flying everywhere. "Thank you, Barda," Twitch cried, hugging the elephant's giant leg. "You are the bravest animal in the forest. I promise that from now on, I will always try to help others, just like you helped me." Barda smiled and patted Twitch's head with his trunk. "Helping others is the best thing we can do," Barda said. Later that day, Twitch saw Pippin the bird. She was trying to build a nest, but a heavy twig had fallen to the ground. Pippin couldn't lift it. Remembering his promise, Twitch hopped over. "I can help," he said. He used his strong back legs to push the twig right where Pippin needed it. Pippin chirped with joy. "Thank you, Twitch. I will help someone too." Soon, everyone in the forest was helping each other. Leaf showed the younger deer the best places to find sweet grass, and Barda helped move logs so the smaller animals could pass. The forest became the happiest place in the world because everyone knew that a little help goes a long way. Helping others really does make everything better.